Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are designing bold color aesthetics using color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and decide which colors you want to emphasize. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and explore LUTs with strong color separation. Choose one that immediately stands out. Reduce opacity slightly so details remain visible. Add a curves adjustment layer to enhance contrast and depth. Use color balance to push colors further while maintaining harmony. Zoom in and refine areas that feel too intense using a layer mask. Toggle before